Hello there, this is Rahil from All About Affiliate Marketing. In today's video, we will talk about the affiliate program of Lovable. So let me take you to the website, which is lovable.dev. For the ones who don't know about them, Lovable is an AI-powered full-stack app development platform that enables users to build web applications using natural language prompts. It combines AI-assisted coding, database integration, authentication, and development tools, allowing founders, developers, and non-technical users to create and launch applications significantly faster. So what are you waiting for? Come to the website, explore all about them, and see if you want to start utilizing them. You might want to click on pricing to see what they offer. Maybe you might want to start with the free plan or move to the pro, business, or enterprise plan. That's up to you if you want to start utilizing them. But that's not exactly why we are here. We are here to earn money from Lovable. How do we do that? As usual, we simply have to join the affiliate program of Lovable. We start promoting them to our audience, to our traffic, and when we bring sales to them, we will end up receiving commission. So affiliates from which country can join their affiliate program, and to the consumers of which country can they promote in order to receive commission. No restriction found about your location as an affiliate. So regardless of your location, you can apply to be part of their affiliate program. However, you would only be able to receive commission if you're bringing sales to them from the consumers of United States of America. So let's learn more about the affiliate program. For that, you can scroll down till the footer section of the website, and over here you can click on affiliates, which will take you to the affiliate program page. And over here, if you scroll down, you get to see what they offer. Generous commission. Earn up to $100 for each first-time subscriber you refer. That means any user that had never used Livable before, if they come through your efforts and if they subscribe to any of the pro or premium plan, you can expect to receive $100 as commission. You also get real-time tracking, marketing resources, and dedicated support, and of course, performance bonuses and fast payouts too. And if you scroll down, you get to see how it works. You apply and get approved. You receive your unique link, you share and promote, and then you earn commission. Simple as that. So how exactly we join the affiliate program? For that, let me take you to the website called Impact. Now, what is Impact and what does it have to do with Lovable? Impact is one of the top affiliate marketing networks out there. What is an affiliate marketing network? They work as a mediator between brands and affiliates. That means if you want to join the affiliate program of different brands out there, you must join the respective affiliate marketing network. So in our case, if you want to join the affiliate program of Lovable, we must join Impact as an affiliate. And to join them as an affiliate, once you're on their website, you can click on request a demo from the top right hand side. It will take you to this page. Over here, you can come to for creators, influencers, and publishers section, and you can click on sign up as a partner. Now, Impact calls affiliates as creators, influencers, or publishers, so don't get confused. Assuming you've clicked on sign up as a partner, it will take you to the registration page. Over here, you can initiate the registration as an affiliate. Now, I understand there are many nuances involved when doing the sign up with any affiliate marketing network out there, so don't you worry, I got you covered. I recently had created a video on how to create and use Impact affiliate account. You'll find the link in the video description. Simply click on the link, follow the instructions from there, and get yourself a free Impact affiliate account. Once you have an account with them, come to the website once again. This time, click on sign in. It will take you to the sign in page. Enter your username and password, click on sign in, then it will take you to something called affiliate dashboard. Now, this is a place where you'll be able to find the affiliate program of different brands as well, not just the affiliate program of Lovable, but we will keep the focus of our video on the affiliate program of Lovable only. So how do you find the affiliate program? For that, you hover over Discover and you click on Find Brands. It will take you to the Find Brand page. Over here, you can click on All Brands, and then within the search bar, start typing Lovable followed by an enter. What it will do, it will load up the detail and it will show the tile for the Lovable affiliate program. Click on the tile and it will open up an overlay window with their affiliate program details. Once it's loaded, you can look at the right hand side and you will see here subscription purchase on $100 as commission. So we talked about it. That means any first time subscriber that you bring to Lovable, and if they buy any of their premium plan, you can expect to receive $100 commission. And to learn more about this commission rate, you can click on view terms from here and it will take you to this page. Over here, you will be able to see the commission related details. You can read it thoroughly for your better understanding. There are also general terms that you read and ensure you abide by it. Now let's go back to the overlay window. Over here, if you click on the details, it will show you the contact detail. Anything that isn't covered in this video, you can write an email to this email address. You may also click on this envelope icon and initiate the communication this way as well. And then where the service, we talked about it, you will only be able to receive commission if you're bringing sales to them from the consumers of United States of America. How do they track? They track using promo code tracking, mobile site, and deep linking. That's basically the way you could create tracking link by using any of the web page link. And then if you scroll down, you can see more programs details. So they also offer product catalog, which is basically the inventory of the products or services. And then if you scroll down here, you get to see some more information similar to that. If you look at the left hand side, there is description available and their qualifying business models. So these are the affiliate types that usually get approval from them. Now let's say you've read it all and you want to apply to the affiliate program. For that, simply click on apply. It will open up another overlay window. Over here, you need to tell Lovable why you want to work on this campaign. Now, this is very important. Ensure you write something good about yourself, about your business model, because this is what helps Lovable understand whether you're a good fit for them or not and whether to approve you or not. For me, I have already written. I'm just gonna copy and paste in here and show you write it for yourself. And once you have written it all, you can click on Lovable Labs contract terms and show you read that as well. And then you click on apply. When you do that, your application to the Lovable Affiliate Program team would go, they'll see whether you're a good fit for them or not, and based on that, they could give you the approval. It could take anywhere between a couple of days to a couple of weeks' time, so you can wait for them while they review the application and give the confirmation to you. You'll be notified by an email. Once you have been approved, then you can come to the Impact Affiliate dashboard once again. This time, hover over Discover and click on My Brands. It will take you to the My Brands section, and over here you would be able to see all your approved brands, including Lovable. Let's say you got the approval from them, then what? Then you can start promoting them. But to promote them, you can't just take any link from the website. You have to use tracking link or you have to create tracking link. So how do you create your own tracking link? For that, you can click on home while you are on Impact Affiliate dashboard. It will take you to the home page. And once here, you can look at create a link section on the left hand side. And from the brown section, click here and choose Lovable. Since we are yet to receive approval from Lovable, just for the demo purpose, I'm going to select AppSumo and should you choose Lovable here accordingly. Then you got landing page. So I want to create a tracking link. Let's say for the home page, I'm going to copy this home page and I'm going to come to this section again and I'll mention that link in the landing page section. Thereafter, I can simply click on create. What it will do, it will create a tracking link for me. It did not work out for me because I choose AppSumo as a brand and landing page is of Lovable. In your case, assuming you're selecting Lovable as a brand and pasting a link of Lovable's website, then you should be able to create your tracking link. Now, let's say you don't want to create your own tracking link, but rather you want to use the existing one. For that, you can hover over content and then you can click on assets. Once here on the asset section, you can look at the left hand side from brands and from here you can select Lovable. And again, just for the demo, I'm going to select AppSumo. And once you've selected Lovable from here, you can decide what kind of link you want to get. Do you want to get banner or image link? Click here. If you want to get videos, emails, coupons, articles, or more, you click it accordingly. Let's say I'm looking for the images at banner link of Lovable, and assuming I've selected Lovable from here, I'll click on image from here. And then let's say, or let's assume this is a banner link of Lovable. I'm going to click here. Same way, any banner that you like for Lovable, you can click and it will open up an overlay window. From here, you have an option to download that image as a PNG file. You can click on asset code. It will be an HTML link code, which you can copy and integrate it from the backend of your website. Or you can also click on get tracking link and copy the tracking link from here. So this is how you can explore different links available for Lovable and get any of the link tab that you prefer. Alright, so you learn how to apply to the affiliate program of Lovable and how to create or get the tracking link. The next question arises, where can you promote them? There are many ways, still I'm going to cover a few. One way is website. Doesn't matter whatever kind of website you got, so long as you have been approved by them, you can promote Lovable anywhere on your website. Maybe homepage, category page, a place that is more suited for your audience, for your traffic. Then you got blog. Now, blog could be great here because you could write blog posts about Lovable, about what they offer, and slide in your tracking link with your blog post. This way, when people read, if they like, they click on that link, and if they subscribe to Lovable, you stand a very good chance of getting commission. Apart from it, you can also create content related to AI builder reviews, no-code development tutorials, AI coding software comparisons, and host these either on your website or blog. Then you got social media. On social media, you could use platforms like YouTube, LinkedIn, X, or Reddit. You could create a number of content over there, be it long form videos, short form videos, reels, stories, posts, and whenever you create this content, ensure you don't forget to share your tracking link either in the description or the comment section. Then you also go to AI tools website. Now these kind of websites are great for the platforms or brands like Lovable. So as an affiliate, you might want to feature Lovable over the website of yours, assuming you have such a website available as an affiliate. Apart from it, the other kind of websites as well, which are best suited for brands like Lovable. We got SaaS website, which is software as a service website. Then you also got no code development website and software development website. So these kind of websites could also be extremely useful to you and should help you in generating commission. Now, promoting Livable is one thing, but there's a problem that most of the affiliates face, and that is bringing the right traffic. What's the point of promoting a brand if you do not have the right traffic that actually converts? So, I've mentioned top three traffic sources for Livable. The first one you got is YouTube. On YouTube, you might want to create content related to AI app builder tutorials, livable walkthroughs, prompt engineering guides, and SaaS reviews. And you might want to feature Livable on those content of yours. And in the description, you can share either your online presence details or a link directly to Livable website. This will help you getting the right traffic that are interested in tools like Livable and stand a very good chance to subscribing to Livable. In return, you get commission. Then you got Google SEO. Doesn't matter whatever kind of content you're creating, wherever you're creating, ensure you keep it Google SEO friendly. You might want to target keywords like AI app builders, no code platforms, AI coding assistant, and full stack development. Then you got LinkedIn and developer communities. So you could use platform like LinkedIn, talk about tools like Livable, and attract the right communities there. Apart from it, developer communities could be great here. You could use different platforms and target developer communities. You could also target startup founders, developers, SaaS builders, and AI enthusiasts seeking rapid application development solutions. And these are the communities which will be more inclined towards buying subscription from Lovable. And in return, you get commission. Now, let's say you started bringing performance to Livable. I mean, the sales, clicks, and all. Where do you see your performance? For that, you can come to the homepage of Impact Affiliate Dashboard once again. And over here, you get to see today's earning, total panning, and the balance. And if you scroll down, you get to see the snapshot of your performance, clicks, actions, action earning, sale amount, conversion rate, PC, etc. And apart from it, if you want to get the detailed report, you can hover over reports and you can click on performance by brand. What it will do, it will show you the performance by brand, like how much you're performing from which brand and all other details. And once the page is loaded, you can select the dates from here, apply different filters, and as we were talking about, you get to see the performance by brand. You can start seeing the trend, and then if you scroll down, you get to see the performance by brand. That will show the clicks, actions, amongst other details. And then if you hover over reports, if you click on performance by day, you get to see how you're performing day over day. And to see your accumulated commission, apart from the home page, you can look at the top right hand side, and over here you will get to see your pending accumulated commission. And if you click on this drop down icon, it will show you different options. From here, if you click on balance, it will show you the accumulated commission balance. Pending will show you the pending commission. Earning history will show you how much you have earned in the past. And the invoices section will show you the invoice related details. Now, to receive this accumulated commission, you must update your payment details. And to update your payment details, you can click on your initial from the top right hand side. And from here, you can click on settings. It will take you to the settings page. Once here, you can scroll down till the finance section. And from there, you can click on bank account. and then it will redirect you to the bank account settings. Depending on your location, you might see another payment method, and that is PayPal. If you see PayPal and if you want to start receiving commission via PayPal, select PayPal and give your PayPal related details. However, if you don't see PayPal, you should definitely see electronic fund transfer. You can choose that as a payment method, choose your bank location country from the listed option here, and then give the banking related details. You can also choose order pay, where you can decide if you want to receive the commission once it exceeds the given payment threshold value, or you can also select to receive the commission on a fixed day of the month. That's up to you how you want to set it up. Once you've updated your payment method details, you can expect to receive commission from Impact for all the sales, all the subscribers you have brought to Lovable. Alright, so this is how you find the affiliate program of Lovable. You apply to them, you get the approval, you start bringing subscribers to them and start earning commission. And this brings us to the end of the video. I hope the video was helpful to you and helped you learning all about the affiliate program of Lovable. And if you want me to create a video like this on the affiliate program of any other brand, or if you want me to cover a topic on the affiliate marketing as a whole, do let me know in the comment section and I'll try my best to create a video on them. Apart from it, as an affiliate, if you wanna grow and if you wanna learn better, there's some amazing resources that I've created for you. There are free as well as premium resources. You'll be able to find them in the video description. Get any that you prefer. In the meantime, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and click on the bell icon so that any video I create like this, you get notified for the same. Thanks for watching.